All right. Oh, okay. All right. Well, okay. So I'm still. What's going on with his neck? I think the neck should be dark underneath the chin. Darkness, darkness. Under here. Need to look at some reference. It's not often I draw this angle of the head. Let's work on the staff. Some straight lines here. So I saw Encanto. Speaking of Colombia, we saw Encanto with the family. Start reading chat, and what you're doing slows down. Yes, exactly. I have digital friends that speak French. Oh, okay, digital friends. I can make some digital friends that speak French. That's true. Usually one in my weekly Wednesday meeting. You live closer to Canada than I do, so that is more likely for you to know people, French speakers, than it is for me. All right, let's do some sloppy lines, sloppy horizontal, sloppy vertical lines rather. Take away the pencils and and let's do something over here. Still not sure about this neck. I'm gonna have to do some homework on that neck. I believe that's it. I believe page 24 is done. I guess I don't know do know some Canadians that are bilingual. They don't talk French to me. Yes, what? Uh, I have found some people on Twitch that are French speakers, and they are native French speakers. I am not, and I try to speak French. I try to use my French. It's been a long time since I've been in French class, so hey, I know those emotes. Hey, man. All right, it is. I think it's time to raid out. Let's go find somebody to raid. Let's see. Who's ready to raid? Let's find a Christian streamer who's ready to raid. Why can't I find any Russian streamers today? All right, here we go. Sure, I'll take a suggestion. Oh, I didn't press enter. I forgot to push enter on my shout out for God's Gamers. Here's my raid command. Feel free to copy and paste from my chat into the Mystery Raiders chat, the Mystery Streamers chat that we're going to raid. Ananova. Okay. I know Ananova. I did not see her. Sweet. Raiding. Anna. No. Zero. Va. Alright, excellent. Let's click the raid button. I will not be on until happy Easter to everyone. Hope everyone has a good Easter. I will not be back until Monday evening at 5:30 p.m. Eastern. And until then, may the Lord be with you. Peace. Rating now.